Next we will do what is called parameter report. Same way we can use the report wizard. We can go and we will check the parameter report. The parameter report, what is the speciality of the parameter report is nothing but I want supplier details, supplier information. That way I give the title for this report. Instead of report coming, I will give specify some product. Only I need the information of supplier, those who are having product ID 11. For example, here you can see only product ID 11 supplier details I want. I don't want 12. So based on that, in the runtime we can use the query and we can do it here. That is a method we can use. I give group above and the query builder, I can give the query builder here. So the query builder I can give next. Then I can give the query builder. So as usual I will connect with the database, this query builder. So now you can see the query builder how it is working here. So now I will select which one actually. Select I will do the supplier table here. Supplier table include. I will include supplier table, supplier number, whatever it may be, I will close now. Supplier number, supplier name, non-product and supplier whatever it may be and product ID. Everything I will include here. I will give OK. So it will give the thing. Now I will give where content, where I will give supplier dot whatever it may be, my product ID is equal to colon product ID underscore parameter. So now which one act as a parameter? The supplier ID, that is supplier ID is equal to my product ID act as a parameter. That's why colon product dot ID means my product ID column act as a parameter now. So now I will do it. I will do the product. So it will give like this. The query Q1 has created bind parameter product. So it will create. I will say OK. Now here the available field. Which field I want to make as a group? I don't want any make as a group. Then I will go to next. So you must select at least one break. So I will make as a product ID. Then I will go as a thing all field to be displayed. So all field I will give it all field. So what I want to do? I want to find the count based on supplier number. No, count based on product ID. That way I did the product ID. Then I will delete. Now what color I will select? Now this time I will see this color, peach color, and I will give OK. So now I want to finish this. So whenever I am running the thing product ID, you can see ask question. Now this report parameter, enter the value of the parameter, product ID parameter. This what I given, product ID underscore parameter. My product ID is 11. Now I will run here. This is my run report. I'll run the run report. You can see the product ID 11 only coming. I will use the control plus and I am increasing the size. You can see how many things are coming here. You can see here 3 information only coming, not 12th information is coming here. So I can use the counting. This product ID is only 1. So that's what I make it as a group. So if I make supplier number, then it will come as a 3 here. So it will make it as a product ID only 1. Suppose make this a supplier number, then it is 3 columns here. So again you can see supplier information using the parameter. So what I did, the runtime I given the supplier, based on the supplier I can give it. Now what I will close it, this form save as. Now I will save as report 3 dot RTF. This way I give RTF file. Now what I will do is I will close the file. Now again I will open the file. I will open the file by report 3. So what I will do is I will run the form in the paper layout. Now I can give 12. How it is coming? I will see. We see the 11. Now we can see 12 is 1. Not 11 information is coming. This is the user way. So first report is simple report. Second report is master detail report. Third, this tutorial is based on the runtime I can supply, I can get the report. User based report in the runtime. Dynamically I can create it. This is called the parameter report. Now we see how we given the query also here. That is very important. The query object navigator, how I given in the object navigator. So you can see in the object navigator, query, open the query in property vector. Now you can see here what is the only difference. I given after in the where condition I included, I given what, underscore colon product ID underscore parameter. Whichever column I want to give in the runtime, that I given in the where condition. This is a way I can do it. This is the only difference. In the previous and all, I never give like this underscore parameter. If you give, it will create the parameter report. So that's all the parameter report.